Good morning. Okay, so you guys are going to put in your first set of vocabulary for our new unit because yesterday you finished up force and motion. So today we're starting human body unit. So at the top of your page, put the title human body unit. And today is the 22nd, so 9/22. And vocabulary number 1, this is your first set. We have 6 vocabulary words. Our first one, and we're writing them in our notebook like this. I don't have the flaps with this unit. Okay, so the first vocabulary word is a cell. Go ahead and repeat that after me. Cell. So a cell is the smallest part of a living organism that carries out all processes of life. And then the second one, organism. An organism is any living thing. So a plant, bacteria, a human, a dog, a horse, a flower. Those are all organisms because they're living things. Okay, number 3 is unicellular. Now, unicellular, think of unicorn. A unicorn starts with uni. Uni means one. So it's a living thing made up of only one cell. So one cell. And I'm boxing these in because these are important words to help me remember that. Multicellular. Well, multi means multiple. Multi means multiple. So multi means more than one. So more than one. So a living thing made up of more than one cell. So more than one cell. And I'm just boxing these in because it helps me remember what the word means instead of having to remember the whole entire definition. So that might help you. I know last year I started doing that with some of my students, and it really helped them remember the whole definition. Okay, tissue. Now, this is not the tissue that you blow your nose with or the tissue paper that you put in a gift bag. This is the tissue that is in your body. So it's a group of the same kind of cells. Whoop, that needs to be cells. That performs a specific function. A function is a job. Function means job. So a group of the same kind of cells. Okay. And then you have organ. An organ is a group of tissues that performs a specific function or a job. Okay, so you got to think of it this way. You have your cell. Here's my cell, and that's the nucleus in the cell. So you have your cell. A group of cells together is a tissue. So if we have cells together, these are my cells together, the same kind of cells. So you have a tissue. And if you put those tissues together, you get an organ. So, like your heart. So all of your heart cells are the same type of cells and they work together. So that will help you guys remember those words too. The cell is the smallest. Then when they're together, they're tissue. Then when all those tissues are together, it forms an organ. I'm going to put heart here. Your heart. Okay? All right, so you can go ahead and pause the video and write down these vocabulary words.